Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix Vivo block by your IT admins. So if you encounter this problem because of you mess up with your Android phone, all you have to do is just reset your phone. There is no helping it. Just reset into the factory settings. You can go to the additional settings. You can tap on backup and reset. Here you can erase all data. So you can back up your photo, music, and other non-app data. After that, you can factory reset, erase all of your data on your Vivo phone. Or if you're already updated into newer version, you can reset system setting only or reset network settings. It's worth to try, but I recommend you just erase all data to completely remove this problem. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and subscribe text button below. See you in the next video.